Hey guys, welcome back. And for today's video, we're going to discuss on how to install SSH. So now, without any further ado, let's get started. Let's open our terminal and start updating our Ubuntu. Depending on your internet speed, let's wait for this one and see how it goes after the update. Once done, let us install the OpenSSH. By default, this is not present in our Ubuntu, so let's do the manual installation. So let's start. If you see this notification, just proceed to yes. All right, once done, let us proceed by enable the system CPL. So first, we need to clear this up. Then let's type. All right, now that we've done the installation, let's verify our SSH. At this point here, if you see your message says active and running, this means that our SSH is okay. At this point here, we can now use SSH in other network and test it how it works. So let's try. To test our SSH, we need to check first what is our current IP address. And to do that, let's click this icon here from this power section. Then click this wired connected. Click the wired settings. Under our wired settings, click this icon, this one. Then take note, under the details, take note this IP address. This IP address will serve as the link between our network SSH and to our host. So let's try. To test with your SSH, you must know the following. First, you must know your username, and also you must also know the IP address. So let's start. Just follow the format. First, you need to type the SSH, then space, followed by your username, then and your IP address. Once you finish typing, just hit enter. Once you see this message, you need to indicate your password. And there you go. Once you see this message that indicating that you are connecting under Ubuntu, it means your SSH is working. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you a lot. And once again, if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And see you guys on the next video series. Cheers!